So our hotel is across the road from the Children's Hospital and the Mater. South Bank finishes just there.
He cares about you, obviously. He pays for your drinks.
This is the slowest traffic light ever. It's the bathroom. Cool shower. There's me. Little TV. A bed with a shirt on it already. And yes, cupboard. Hello. Lots of storage. And an iron. TV. Little setup. Couch. And a view of the private hospital. Plugs by the bed. And, hang on. Oh, yep, well, this could be an interesting sleep. So we do have a balcony. So we have a balcony. We didn't request a balcony room, just a standard room, but we got upgraded to a view of the hospital and the river. How nice. There goes a jet ski. Small little gym. Water machine. There is an indoor pool. Hard to film because there are children in there.